Welcome dear students. So without wasting much time, let's start sums for the day. So as you all know, we are dealing with exercise 3A, isn't it? So from exercise 3A, I am taking question number 7 for you. Okay. So question says, evaluate this. So I have taken, first let's consider this problem. Okay. So here, first and foremost, what you need to do is, decimal is there, convert this into fraction. Okay. So this becomes square root of, so 0.5 is 5 by 10, and we have outside whole cube into the 6. If you factorize it, how much do you get? You get 2 into 3, right? Okay, so we have here 3 to the power 5 means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So let's see, instead of the 6 I have written this much, okay, and altogether in the left side, in the right side, the leftover numbers are 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. How many 3? 5 3s. So that's why it is 3 to the power 5. Okay, so you see here 5 and 10 gets cancelled, so 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So basically 1 cube is 1 itself, isn't it? So we have 1 itself, and we have, okay, so in the numerator we have now 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now you might be asking, where is 1? Now 1 into anything will remain that number itself, isn't it? So that's why I have written only this one. Okay, divided by. Now why divided by? Because here we have divided by, isn't it? And here we have 2 cube, which is 2 into 2 into 2. All right, 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Now form the pair. Okay, so we see this and this form the pair, and here we get these two as a pair. Okay, so we have, instead of these two I'll write 1, similarly instead of these two I'll write 1, instead of these two I'll write 1, by we have, instead of these two I'll write 1. Okay, so this is 27 by 2. If you want to convert this into mixed fraction, that also can be done. It becomes 13 and half if you convert this into mixed fraction. Okay, so that means square root of this turns out to be 13 and half. Let's have this question now. So in this question, you just need to do simple simplification. So we have 5 plus, so this is a mixed fraction. Let's convert this into improper fraction. So 25 into 2 is 50, 50 plus 21 is 71 by 25 into, so again here we see that's decimal, so write this as 169 by 100, okay, 1000, and we have into, this is 16, and due to 0.6 I need to put 10 in the numerator. Okay, now we'll see that this and this gets cancelled, right? Okay, so we have, okay, so here if you simplify, LCM is 25, so 5 into 25 is 125, plus we have 71. Okay, so into here we have 169 by 100 into 16. Okay, so let's add now. So 1 is 6, so 7 plus is 9, so 196 into, we have 169 divided by 25 into 100 into 16. Okay, now if you see here, all of these are perfect square numbers, isn't it? Or else what you can do is, if you want to factorize in this way, that also can be done. Okay, or else if you know the list of squares from 1 to 30, you see 13 square, 16, no, not 16, it is 14, 14 square is 196, isn't it? So square root of 196 is going to be 14, okay, into square root of 169 is 13, okay, so square root of 25 is 5, square root of 100 is 10, and square root of 16 is 4. Okay, so if you want to do the cancellation, let's do. So this is 2 7. So we don't have any other cancellation possible. So 7 3 is 21, carried over 2, 7 1 is 7, plus 2 is 91, divide by 5 into 10, 10 into this is 100, isn't it? Now if you want to convert this into decimal, that can be done, or else you can leave your answer like this only. Okay, so you may pause the video and note down your solution. Now let's observe these questions again. So here first let's do the simplification part. So 5, here we don't have any sign, that means there is multiplication sign. So 5 into, okay, so let's convert this. So 4 to the 8, so 11 by 4 minus 3 by 10. So let's find the LCM. So the LCM turns out to be 20, isn't it? So 5, remember the LCM is 20, okay, divide 20 by 4, you get 5, 5 into 11 is 55, minus, and divide 20 by 10, you get 2, 2 into 3 is 6, okay. So you see there is some cancellation possible, 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20, isn't it? Now we have 55 minus 6 is 49, isn't it? We have 1 here, so 1 into 49 will be 49 itself, divided by, we have 4. So what is square root of 49? You know this is 7, and what is square root of 4? It is just 2. So that means your answer, or if you want to convert this into mixed fraction, your answer will be 3.5. Okay, so we have another question also. So here what you need to do is, you have got many square roots, isn't it? You have to always start from the inner square root. Okay, fine. So others will remain as it is. So we have 248 plus square root of 52 plus, now square root of 144 from that list is 12, isn't it? Okay, so let's simplify this then. So we get 248 plus square root of, now 52 plus 12 is 64, right? Now we have one more inner square root, so 248 plus, now what is square root of 64? Square root of 64 is 8, isn't it? So let's add it again. So we get, okay, so 8 plus 8 is 16, carried over 1, so 256, isn't it? Now again, if I ask you what is the square root of 256, you see the list, you will find that it will be 16, because 16 square is 256. So that's why square root of 256 will be 16. Okay, so these are your answers. Pause the video and do the needful. Now let me directly jump into question number 12, because the rest of the questions from exercise 3A are word problems, which we are going to cover in the next class. Okay, so here question says, if square root of 784 is 28, and all of you know that from the table, okay, from the list, find the value of these two. Let's quickly do this. So decimal means you have to convert this into fraction, so it becomes 784 by 100 plus, can I write this as 784 into 100? Can I do that? Yes. Now why am I doing this? Because I have been given square root of 784. So basically I am trying to separate 784. Okay. So square root of 784 is given to be 28 by, what is square root of 100? Isn't this equals to 10? Yes. Okay. Plus we have square root of 784 is 28, into is there, square root of 100 is 10. Okay. So how much is this? This is 2.8. Can I say that this is 2.8? Yes. So how much is this? This is 280, isn't it? So add these two, so your answer turns out to be 282.8 for this particular question. Let's observe this question now. So here we see there are decimal in both the terms. Okay, so we have 784 divided by, now how many zeros I need to put? 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 3 4, so 4 zeros. Okay, now here similarly we have 784, how many zeros? Let's see, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so let's form pair here. So 0 0 0 0 0. Okay, so you know square root of 784 is 28 Okay, so out of these two zeros I'll write only 1, out of these two zeros I'll write only 1. Okay, I'll do the same here as well. So 28. Okay, so here we have got 6 zeros, so that's why I'll write just 3 zeros. Okay, so in this case this is 0.28 and this is how much? This is 0.028. I hope you are comfortable with the conversion from fraction to decimal. Okay. Okay, so if you add this, what you do is, after decimal you keep same number of digits. So here we had 2 digits, here we have 3 digits, so we'll make it 3 digit. So we have 0.028. Now we are ready to add. So 8 plus 0 is 8, 2 plus 8 is 10, carries over 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, plus 2 is 3, 0 plus 0 is 0. So that's why your answer turns out to be this much. Okay, so your homework. So your homework is question number 7, number 1 only. Okay, so you will try this by yourself and submit the same to me. Okay, so with this we close. Thank you very much.